Hey friends, Vince here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking up one of my favorite fish of all time. We're making whole Branzino, otherwise known as European sea bass. This is my absolute favorite fish, and I like to cook it whole with the head still on. So what exactly do we got right here? We got a good old European sea bass. Good medium-sized fish, perfect for one, maybe two people. You know, most people nowadays, they're really conditioned, to just get a fillet of fish, like a piece of salmon, a piece of cod, something like that, maybe some tuna. But this whole fish, I gotta tell you, baby, it's where it's at. So what we're gonna do, my local fish market, they have already, opened this up for us. So all we gotta do is take our knife and slice it down all the way, the belly of the fish. And then we're gonna stuff it with lemon, fresh herbs, and we're gonna season it beautifully. So there's a couple of different ways I like to cook this fish. I love to throw it on the grill and just char it up, give some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful char marks on there. And honestly, it's really, really delicious right in the oven, just roasting it on 400 degrees, maybe a little higher if you'd like. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I hope you stick along. Friends, if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I make new videos on Thursdays. Let's grab our Branzino, some fresh herbs, some lemons, and our seasonings, along with a cutting board. Start off by grabbing a lemon and slicing it on up. We're gonna use this to stuff our fish beautifully. So first of all, we're just gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle our European sea bass. Make sure to flip it over, hit the other side quick. Open her up, hit the middle a little bit, hit the insides. So we're gonna prop our Branzino right up against our parsley here. Have the, insides completely exposed. And then I'm gonna hit with a little bit of black lava Hawaiian sea salt. Then I'm gonna hit it with some fresh black pepper. Just a little bit of red pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. Then we're gonna take those lemon slices that we already sliced on up, and we're gonna layer them. We're gonna grab some fresh thyme. And then we're gonna take some of this fresh parsley too. We're gonna make sure to get some of that stuffed in there as well. Deep in the head of our fish and in the center of the body. Now that our Branzino is beautifully stuffed, we're gonna throw it in a 400-degree oven for about 20-30 minutes. Halfway through, we're gonna check it, and then we're gonna flip it on its other side. Once our Branzino is finished in the oven, we're gonna grab some fresh lemon juice and we're gonna squirt it all over. Maybe a little bit more extra virgin olive oil for good measure. We also wanna make sure to give this about 5 minutes to rest, then we're gonna chop off the fish head. Now don't discard it. This actually has plenty of meat, and man, it's delicious. So we're just gonna set that aside. After that, I like to cut off the tail, and once again, there's plenty of meat here. So we're gonna discard it, but we're gonna eat that. It's got good stuff in it. We're gonna flip the core part of the fish on its side and get all the stuffing out of the fish. We're gonna do one quick cut along the center, remove the lemon, remove the fresh herbs, maybe take out some of the larger bones, but we're not gonna debone the whole fish before serving it. Now, you can do that if you'd like, but me, I don't mind picking around it. But some of these big, larger, bones like that, pretty easy, just pull it right on out. And most importantly, guys, I wouldn't be showing you how to make this fish if I didn't love to eat it too. All right, guys, time to eat. I didn't even tell you this cutting board spins. So, Got to be a little careful because there's definitely lots of bones in this fish, but that's where all the flavor comes in. And you see, the meat will just fall right off. Oh, that's the best stuff. And you see, if you do this right, the fish, it's gonna fall apart like right in your hands. You see that? And even this fish head right here, look at all that meat right at the top of the head. So we're actually gonna just kind of squeeze that right out of there. And you can pair this with some rice or some fresh vegetables. Banging. And then this piece here too. Look how this is just the meat literally falling off. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.